USB or Universal Serial Bus is the standard interface for connecting and powering mobile devices. Older connectors like micro USB and mini USB were widely used in Android devices, cameras, and various peripherals today. Today, USB-C has become the dominant standard due to its reversible design, faster speeds, and support for both power delivery and video output. For instance, a field technician might use USB-C to connect a laptop to a projector during a client presentation while still keeping a micro USB cable on hand for legacy barcode scanners. Lightning is Apple's proprietary connector USB on iPhones and iPads prior to the transition to USB-C. It supports multiple functions including charging, data synchronization, and with the help of an adapter, audio and video output. A practical example is in tech support where a damaged lightning cable is replaced to restore charging functionality on an iPad being used as a point of sale terminal. Near field communication, or NFC, is a short-range wireless technology that works only within a few centimeters. It's commonly used in mobile devices for secure mobile payments, badge scanning, and quick pairing between devices. For example, many companies use NFC badges to grant employees secure access to buildings, and a technician may be asked to configure phones so they can use those badges. The main takeaway here is that NFC provides very close-range secure communication, making it ideal for authentication and payment systems. Bluetooth is short-range wireless, usually about 10 meters. Though Class 1 can reach up to 100 meters, it's commonly used for headsets, mice, keyboards, and speakers. The trade-off is that it's slower than Wi-Fi. Tethering and hotspots are two ways to share phones' mobile data connection. With tethering, the phone shares its data directly with another device using USB or Bluetooth. With hotspot, the phone creates a Wi-Fi network so multiple devices can connect. A good example is when IT staff enables a hotspot on a 5G smartphone during a WAN outage, allowing laptops in the field to connect back into the headquarters through a VPN. The key idea here is that tethering is usually one-to-one, while hotspot allows one-to-many connections. Another important set of mobile accessories are stylus and headsets. A stylus is essentially a digital pen used for precision input, which is especially helpful in professional settings like healthcare. Headsets are another common accessory and can be either wired or USB connections or wireless via a Bluetooth. Mobile devices often rely on external accessories like speakers and webcams to extend functionality. Speakers can be either built-in or external, connected through wired connections such as USB or jacks, or wirelessly through Bluetooth. The key takeaway here is that both speakers and webcams provide flexible options with external devices, often enhancing quality compared to built-in components. Docking stations and port replicators both expand the connectivity of laptops, but they serve slightly different purposes. A docking station is a full-featured expansion device that adds power, multiple USB ports, video outputs, Ethernet, and audio, all through one connection. For example, many corporate setups use laptop docks that allow dual monitor output, wired Ethernet, and charging through a single Thunderbolt cable. A port replicator, on the other hand, is simpler. It mainly extends ports like USB and HDMI, but may not provide power delivery and advanced video support. A common use case would be sales staff using a port replicator in a hotel conference room to connect their laptops to a projector and external USB device for presentation. Now, the key difference is that docking stations provide a complete workstation experience, while port replicators are lightweight, portable solution for basic expansion. Mobile devices use different accessories and connectivity options to improve usability, and each has unique benefits dependent on user needs. A trackpad is a built-in touch-sensitive surface, such as on a MacBook Pro, that allows gesture-based navigation. A drawing pad, like a Wacom tablet, provides external stylus input for precision tasks, making it ideal for graphic designers working in programs like Photoshop. A track point, often found on ThinkPad keyboards, is a small pointing stick that allows navigation without an external mouse, which can be especially useful for field technicians. Together, these tools highlight how input devices are tailored for efficiency, creativity, and mobility.